Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 53. What is the correction for a regular flat correction?
The answer is regular flat is all equal length as seen.
Quote number 47. Martin Squart said, "Learn to take losses. The most important thing in making money is not letting your losses get out of hand." This means that in order to avoid losses, you must first understand and respect them. But more importantly, you need to mentally accept them.
Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.